So now that we have built a strong research foundation, it's time to create and optimize content that resonates with your audience while meeting SEO standards. In this section, we will cover how to craft SEO friendly content using Semrush tools and optimize it for maximum performance. So to get started, all you have to do is go to the SEO content template. Here you can type in the keywords that you are targeting. You can also you can type in up to 15 keywords. We already saw how to do keyword research, by the way. So you must have your relevant keyword or the topics that you are going to do more research or write article on. So type in your keywords, like you can type in like this: recession, enter recession in Europe, and etc. Right? And you can select the country that you want to do the research and click on create content template. So I already did some did I already created these three keywords. So I'll just click on view SEO template, but that's how you do it. So once you do that, you will see this following dashboard, right? So you will see important things based on the keywords. So I had some keywords like China versus Europe, recession in Europe, China in Europe recession. You can see I'm getting top 10 competitors and what type of content they have written for the keywords that I'm doing some research, right? So I can just go to this article and check what type of content they have written. You can see this is the Quora related questions. People are also asking questions related to this topic. So you can see that. You can also go to other topics. For example, let me show you. You can see, you can check it what your competitors are writing, how their article structure is, and you can do some analysis, right? So you get this information. You can also get some recommendations, right? Based on the top 10 rivals that you have for the given keywords, right? Enrich your text with the following semantically related keywords. So they are telling me that I need to include this following keywords to beat my rivals. I can also get some backlinks for the post that I'm going to write from the following websites. My readability score should be up to 50, right? So readability score will be given by Semrush assistant, that we will see in the next section, in few minutes. Text length, what my article length should be of how many words. So I should at least write 951 words or more, because that is what my competitors have written previously, right? So you can also check like how your competitors are ranking in their article, at what places the keywords that you are searching for is getting occurred, right? You can check all this detail. You can also check basic recommendation that are must for your SEO article, right? So you should include at least one main keyword in your in your article title. You should not use don't use each target keyword more than one time, right? And optimal length, the title length should be maximum of 15 characters or less. So when your article gets rank on search engine, the text does not get cut, right? So Google does not if you write a long article title, then half of your text will be cut, right? So that to avoid that, you need to be within 55 characters. Meta description should be above below 160 characters. You should have at least one of your keywords in important H1 tags, right? So all this suggestion you need to implement, that is given by that is given by Semrush content template tool. Now you can also export this in the document format, by the way. See, I just exported this, and I will just open and show you how it looks like. So you see, this is the data that I'm getting right now. All the data I can export in Google Sheet. So that's how it is. So I hope you understood how SEO content template works and how you can use it for your benefit or research purpose. Now, next thing I'm going to talk about is SEO writing assistant. So basically, you can I would suggest first do your research in content template, and then directly do not jump to SEO writing assistant. Go to real time content check. You get the same thing. You will be directed to SEO writing assistant only, but before that, now you all your data will also go with it, right? So now you have two options. One is you can use content check AI, which is a Semrush tool itself, one of the Semrush tool that helps you to write AI generated content. So based on all the type of research you have done, keywords, title, all the important research you have done, all those you can directly import and write content in few minutes. So AI does the work of content writing for you. But if you want to write content for yourself, you can go to open in writing SEO writing assistant. That's what I was talking about. So once you go there, you will see a editor, like just like a WordPress editor or a Google document editor. You will see this editor where you can, where you can start writing the article by start writing the start writing your article, by the way. And yeah, that's how it is. So you can just use the editor, type h1 header, h2 header, add images, highlight issues. So as you start writing the article, based on the research that you did in content template, you will have some suggestions on the right hand side. So how much keywords should you use, what is the readability of your SEO article, what is the SEO score, how much original your article is, what type of tone is it. You can also use the smart writer to rephrase some of these sentences. um, you can also check what is the readability score is. Basically, it should be easy to read, right? It should not be difficult. So SEO writing assistant will help you give score, and you can improve it by making changes to it, right? Changes to your article. How many words you are written, you should at least write 951 words for your article for the given keyword. And your competitors, what are the different issues that your articles is facing. All those details you can do. So at the end of this, and when you optimize all these suggestion, you will have an SEO optimized article, right? Once you have it, you can also directly move this, by the way, to Google document if you want to, right? So you can just move the document to Google document, and there is some SEO writing assistant extension, I guess, that you can use. But you are free to directly type in your article over here and make sure you write an SEO optimized article over here, right? So that what I wanted to show you. So we covered how to use SEO content template, how to write SEO optimized article based on our previous research that we did in keyword research, uh, SEO content template, and based on our rivals and more. So that all the details you need to do. And the last thing that I would like to show you now is On-Page SEO Checker. Now, suppose you have written an article, but you want to check it's after a few days, you want to check how it is performing, what type of improvements the article can have. Then you can go to the SEO section here or the above, and you can go down and check the On-Page SEO Checker, right? So On-Page SEO Checker, you can add different articles of your domain. So you can see I already created the project scene trim. Scene trim is our business. So you can see all these pages are already added, and this is 21 ideas. That is mean they are suggestions that are given to me. So these are different articles pages you can see, and there are some ideas. So these are all the ideas I need to implement to improve my SEO rankings on Google, right? This is just an overview, right? How many pages I have added, and how many suggestions are there. So total 9 pages I have added over here, and there are total 98 suggestions, like strategy ideas, backlink related ideas, user experience related ideas, how much semantic ideas. So you can also go to the next tab, by the way, optimization ideas, where you can add your landing page. So if you do not have an if you do not have an page over here, if you have written a new article, then you can just click add landing page and add it. So it will Semrush will analyze it, and give you some suggestions to make some improvements, right? So just click on add a landing page, type in your page you would like to optimize, and you can type in the keywords that you want that page to be optimized, right? So Google will Semrush will give you some ideas to improve it, right? To quickly show you what type of ideas are, suppose this is the page, and I have already added, and if I click on ideas, then it will give me some suggestions, like I can improve SEO scores, I can fix some keywords. It can also show that um, avoid keyword stuffing. So all these suggestions are there that I need to implement, right? So page has a low bounce rate, which is a good thing, right? Time spent on this page is high enough. That means people are reading it, and you people having good user experience over here. There are no such major technical issues, but there is suggestion, right? Add internal link that point to this page. So there is no internal link, right? Internal link means inside I in the article I can highlight certain keywords, and that will link to some of the other articles that I've written, right? So that I can add. So all these suggestions I need to implement. So this is what ideas means, right? Top 10 benchmarking, top 10 benchmarking, what are those? Basically it analyze for the given keyword. Suppose define entry manager is one keyword, for that it will analyze top 10 competitors, all right? So these are different keywords, you can see define definition entry manager, Dubai's unified licensing. So it analyzes the article, it bench compares my article with the top 10s and shows some result. For example, top 10 articles that are there, their average keyword length is 876 words, but my page that I'm analyzing has 1336 word, which is a good thing, right? Referring domains, so top 10 average page have at least two backlinks, but I do not have any backlinks that are referring to my page, so I need to work on that, right? It's marked in the red color. They are not using any video, I'm not using any video, that are fine. Their readability score is 34, my readability score is 14, so I need to improve my readability score. So I can just click on view full analysis and uh, check all the analysis. By the way, detailed analysis I can do for the given keyword. You can see these are the top 10 results for this keyword, what are they, how many referring domains they have, uh, how much, what is the readability score. So I can just go more in detail and check it out. So yeah, that was all about it. So you can also get a complete overview over the months, how much ideas were suggested for given organic traffic, and what are the issues my pages have. Like suppose this technical issue I am having for this main page, I need to add some internal links. So all those implementation can be done. So yeah, that completes our third section. I hope you understood. If you have any doubt, do let me know, I'll try to solve them. See you in my next section now. Thank you.